Hello, tso.trade here. Today I'm gonna go over real quick over just a newly released pre-market breakout screener with alerts. It's a screener with up to 10 instruments, which you can select, and then just it's gonna monitor if it breaks out from pre-market range and alert you. Um, there's of course a web page for the indicator where it's all explained in details how to use it, how to set up alerts, and this is just a screener. This is not a full indicator. It does use the same algorithm as opening range breakout indicator. So if you wanna backtest and obtain your the best strategy, we suggest you obtain the actual indicator, the opening range pre-market breakout indicator, and then figure out what you're gonna trade. And then just figure out which symbols you want to trade, which instruments, like indexes or stocks, and then once you figure them out, you can just add them to use the screener, just add them, and you will be immediately alerted when the breakout happens. So now let's go over the actual indicator. It's opening range pre-market breakout screener in the trading view. So now it's fully loaded. Let me just go over its settings real quick. So this is just the symbols which you wanna monitor. If you deselect them, they're gonna be removed from the table here, and when you create alerts, they're not gonna be included. As this is very simple in terms of how it works. You select your symbols, then you only have to create one alert, and every time one of these will break out, you'll receive an alert. Besides that, you got active trading session hours. This is basically when you're gonna receive the alerts, depending on where you're located. So you don't get those alerts when you like after market closes, as this is obviously more of an intraday trading indicator since it uses pre-market range, and just the config of which breakouts you want to see or track, closed or live. You can either see or hide them, and which if you want to be alerted or not. And the opening range time period. By default, it's set to the optimal US time, which is around 7 a.m. Eastern time to 9:30 Eastern time. Now you may need to play around with this depending on where you're located, but it's really easy because it's shown with the dashed lines where it starts, where it ends, so you can just play around and calibrate. Like if you're located in Australia, for example, and you want to use local market hours. So yeah, it is pretty straightforward. It's explained everything here. And of course, the table position, which is the table stats, which shows what's broken out, what's not. And now let's just go over breakout live, breakout closed. This is actually a very good example right now. As you can see, SPY, S&P, it did break out upwards live, and now it did break out upwards down live, but it's still within the pre-market range zone. So this is live indication. These are good if you want to scalp, or if you want to immediately catch that momentum. But as you can see, it doesn't always work. Like sometimes it just goes up rapidly. Sometimes it doesn't. So it really depends how you want to approach it. So the only other thing is when you turn this on, and you create an alert, you're gonna be immediately notified when this happens while the bar is still live. As for opposed to the closed breakout, it will only be shown and alerted when the bar is fully closed and it breaks the pre-market range zone, breakout zone. Yeah, this is pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please either reach out to us via our contact form. It's on our website right here. We respond really quick, or just ask a question in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching, and happy trading.